Hey, this is Ron West here showing how we're going to install a zipper boot around a power pole. You can see this is on a single ply low slope roof system, and it's got roof cement put around the boot to start with. Here you can see where I've cut the diameter out of the power pole on the zipper boot, and we're going to install where the opening of the zipper boot is on the low side of the roof. So it'll slope down and nice tight fit. And then we're going to put the zipper on the boot. By the way, years ago they didn't have zipper boots. People would put lead plumbing boots on top of the vent or where the power pole comes in, or they would just put cement around it or build a pitch pan. And I don't know, it seems like about 15 or 20 years ago these zipper boots came out. I've been roofing for like 50 years, so I don't remember seeing zipper boots back in the 70s or 80s, or probably even in the 90s. But anyways, they're now here, and that's a good thing because it makes a really good seal. I have a lot of these, by the way. I'll be showing you more in the future. Here you can see pre-cut my single ply, the hole out. It's got roof cement underneath where the pipe is, and we put that on top. The metal zipper is clamped on where the seam is, cemented underneath. I've already pre-cut my single ply so I don't get roof cement all over the place, trying to do it after the fact. Here's a lead boot, cast iron pipe. It's also got roof cement put on. Then we put our lead on top of that, roof cement on top of that. This is all pre-cut out before we put it on. This right here is where, after we've put our single ply on, we want to push and squeeze that where the roof cement makes like a bead coming out, so it's impossible for water to get in. This roof is done in Florida where there's a lot of rain, so we use a lot of roof cement, and that's how that's done. After it's put on, you'll get, you can fold your lead down inside. Here you want to see also the oozing out of the roof cement, so you know you got a good seal. Here you can see where the single ply goes underneath the next layer above. That's a good seal on that. So if you have a roof, you live in Central Florida, you want to know something technical about roofing, you have a roof repair, a re-roof you want estimate you need done, anything to do with the roof. I've been doing this for 50 years and I've been a licensed contractor for 35. So contact me. I would love to help you.